Hey there, my name is Kurosh, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your voice typing issues on Windows 11. If none of my fixes work for you, I'm also going to show you an alternative at the end of the video. Starting off, firstly you need to check your microphone permissions, and to do that you need to open up your settings. Then once you're in the settings, you need to go to privacy and security, scroll down to microphone, and ensure that microphone access is granted. If it isn't granted, then just switch this toggle. For number 2, we want to check our input volume. If your microphone is connected, there's a chance that your input volume is very low. To check that, again, we're going to open our settings. And then once the settings are open, we're going to go to system. Once we're in system, we're going to go to sound. And we are going to scroll down to the input section here and make sure that our volume is at the very top or at least very high. Move that to the top just to be sure. Then finally, you want to make sure that the dictation system is actually selecting the correct microphone for you. To do that, click on the Windows button plus H to open the voice dictation feature. And over here, click on the settings and then go to select default microphone and ensure that your currently connected microphone is actually selected here. If it's not, you need to add a new microphone. Now, if you've done all of this and it's still not working correctly for you, or you're just unhappy with voice to text on Windows, which I don't blame you, it's not great, you can use a third-party system that is much stronger and just works. So the system that I'm using is called Voicey. And Voicey is a speech-to-text tool that essentially works just like the Windows built-in dictation. All I gotta do is click on the text field where I want to write with my voice, and then I click Control plus space. When I click Control plus space, it's gonna start recording me, and down here we can see that it is currently picking up my voice. And then whenever I am done, I just click on Control plus space again. And then it will process and it will give me my text right here. And if you pay attention to it, it was firstly super fast, but more importantly, it automatically adds the punctuation, which is fantastic for me because I don't have to worry about commas. Additionally, Voicey comes with some extra features like a dictionary where you can put in special words that you use every day, or an AI editing feature that is also quite neat, but we don't really have to go through that in this video. The link for Voicey is in the description. Now, I hope my fixes worked for you. If they didn't, give Voicey a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye.